Flood cleanup is expected to take days following the storms. One of the hard-hit areas is Mount Juliet. We spoke with officials about their next steps. Juliet Palazzo's in Mount Juliet this morning with a look at the progress already made in May, and she joins us now.
Yeah, certainly progress already made here at Valley Center Mall, which was under feet of water, but a long way to go. I mean, just look at the inside of Revolution Barber and Style. You could tell they had plenty of water in there, quite a mess. It looks like they're starting to clean, take some garbage out. You really got a feel for these businesses. It's going to take quite some time, and we probably can't even visibly see some of the damage from the outside here. But the city says this has flooded before, this area, and they are still assessing. We spoke with Mayor James Maness, who says this event was much different than 2010. You think back to then, that lasted for several days, but this last weekend was flash flooding, very quick. The usual spots in Mount Juliet flooded, but the biggest impact was the amount of water rescues they had to respond to, and that's something that caught first responders off guard. Recent construction may have changed the setup for flooding, and as cleanup continues, the community is helping one another. Global Vision Bible Church offered a check of $20,000 for relief to help New Tribe Church, who is here at the mall. Acts of kindness like that speak to the character of Mount Juliet.
No doubts this community, and I mean, we bounced back from the tornadoes. We're bouncing back. I mean, our local economy is strong. The volunteer spirit here is strong as it's ever been. And we saw Sunday, you know, is people going from door to door there in those businesses, helping them out. One of our city commissioners actually just took it upon himself to go out and rent a truck for a guy there with his business to help him get some stuff out and save it. So, I mean, that's just awesome.
Yeah, a great story right there. So will the state be helping Mount Juliet with disaster relief? We'll talk more about that in our next half hour. Plus, they're taking a look at the forecast for tonight. More rain coming, how they will be preparing for that as well. Reporting live in Mount Juliet, Juliet Palazzo, News 2.